Okay guys, look who made it. About to go out.
Lola's taking us out on the town. Hey.
Drunk to even say it. Too drunk to even say it.
We don't have to go home. We
don't gotta go home. But we gotta get the fuck up out of here.
We're going out to eat.
Oh shit, we eating. We eating?
Yum 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 yum.
We are in some food truck situation over here where we got hamburgers, quesadillas.
We're getting the real experience.
The real experience. The real Moca experience.
Exactly.
Apparently, you haven't been to DR if you haven't been to this part of DR. Go out for one drink, they said. It'll be fun, they said. No one drink. Let me tell you something. Whenever someone says it's going for one drink, it's never one drink. Never. Not one time ever in life, ever.
It was something.
Just me and Amanda, 2 people, a whole bottle of Ciroc coconut. First of all, sorry Artie. Yeah, we did it. Ciroc coconut. Tito's wasn't an option. 2, it's delicious. It's so good. 1 whole bottle. Then we left the club at like 4 something. Went to some shady ass taco truck. Had like 7 quesadillas. Somebody over there. She's feeling great today.
I don't feel terrible, but I'm on the cusp where it could go down real bad.
And what do we got planned for the next 2 days?
We've got a wedding.
More
in maybe like 3 hours.
3 hours. And we got more drinking and partying to do.
Yeah. So I'm thinking a beer might help my situation, so I'm gonna go get that now.
Because nothing cures a hangover more than more alcohol.
That's the theory. I mean, we're gonna test it out.
And nothing says Dominican Republic like Presidente. When you OD late, you say fuck it. You go to the stop of the road and get some food. Right, babe? feel, Ray?
I feel like I'm really talented.
You look like it too. Woo! Yo, we getting in that pool later? Later? Babe, you next. Babe, do it right now. Oh, she did it.
Now it's your turn.
Look how beautiful. This is, I love this tradition. I think this is really pretty.
I think that's it.
Yeah, it's not gonna do anything now.
Ay, coño.
Sad face
My wish.
has come true.
It's the morning after. How you feeling this morning?
I actually feel fine. I didn't really drink that much at all.
Oh, she's feeling fine. I was tired. She woke up like at 8. I was like, nope. Nope.
I'm good.
Just been hanging out with the fam in the pool all day. Finally, the food is ready. Look at that spoon. Jesus Christ. That's on the vlog for sure. Wedding festivities are over. It was very nice. Very good time with the family. So last night here in Moca. So we're gonna pretty much do what we did the first night. Go out, drink, eat.
Everywhere.
It's making me, I might miss my flight. Guys, it is now 3:42. The club is pretty much empty. Don't know what I'm gonna get from the club to the airport. That's how we do.
That is how we do.
Really at the airport, guys. I was not lying. This is a crucial time because I have about an hour to kill and I can't fall asleep because if I fall asleep, I'm afraid I won't wake up in time for the flight. So I'm probably just gonna keep walking around and going into random stores just to kill time because I don't want to miss my flight. I want to go home. From the club to the airport home. I'm so happy to be home. Over and out on the wedding vlog. Hope you guys like it, but I need to get some much needed sleep.